In a significant diplomatic gesture, President William Ruto of Kenya has embarked on an official visit to Rwanda at the invitation of President Paul Kagame. This visit is particularly noteworthy as it coincides with the inauguration of President Kagame for his fourth term in office, following a successful election held on July 15th. The announcement of President Ruto's participation in the ceremony was made by State House spokesman Hussein Mohammed, highlighting the importance Kenya places on its relationship with Rwanda. Under the leadership of President Kagame, Rwanda has emerged as a key player in East Africa, and its relationship with Kenya has flourished. The two nations have developed strong commercial ties, with trade and investment flows increasing significantly over the years. This partnership has been further bolstered by initiatives aimed at enhancing people-to-people connections, fostering mutual understanding, and promoting regional integration. The deepening of these ties has brought tangible benefits to both countries, contributing to the economic stability and growth of the region. President Ruto's decision to attend the inauguration also reflects his commitment to maintaining and strengthening regional alliances. However, this visit comes at a delicate time for the Kenyan leader. It marks his first trip abroad since widespread protests erupted across Kenya, with citizens, particularly the youth, expressing discontent over various issues, including the government's economic policies and the president's frequent international travels. The protests have highlighted a growing sense of frustration among Kenyans who feel that their concerns are not being adequately addressed. The unrest has posed a significant challenge to President Ruto's administration, drawing attention to the domestic pressures he faces as he navigates the complexities of governance. Critics have argued that his frequent absence from the country has contributed to the perception that the government is out of touch with the struggles of ordinary Kenyans. The timing of this visit to Rwanda, therefore, has raised questions about the president's priorities, with some viewing it as an attempt to divert attention from the ongoing unrest at home. Despite these domestic challenges, President Ruto's participation in President Kagame's inauguration underscores the importance of maintaining strong diplomatic relations with neighboring countries. The visit is likely to reinforce Kenya's role as a key player in regional affairs, particularly in fostering peace, stability, and economic development in East Africa. It also serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of African nations, where the stability and prosperity of one country can have a significant impact on the broader region. As President Ruto joins other African leaders in celebrating President Kagame's continued leadership, his presence in Kigali sends a message of solidarity and mutual respect. However, as he returns to Kenya, the president will need to confront the growing domestic discontent and work towards addressing the concerns of his citizens. Balancing the demands of international diplomacy with the need to attend to pressing issues at home will be crucial for President Ruto as he seeks to strengthen his leadership and ensure the stability and prosperity of Kenya.